Hello everyone, today I will be talking about top 30 companies in India to work for in data science and machine learning. Here are the top 30 in the list in no particular order. Let's see into the brief. So according to the order, the number one company is Cartesian Consulting. This company, with more than 200 data scientists, has an impact-oriented approach, which further develops the skills of their scientists. It was founded in India in 2009 by Sandeep Mittal, an IIM Calcutta alumnus. Cartesian Consulting has its operations in India, North America, and Singapore. The second number is Bridge I2E. The company encourages its data scientists to continuously learn and grow from every project and problem. It promotes ascension and engages in developing its scientists from their skills and capabilities. It was founded in May 2011 by Prithvijit Roy, CEO, Preetam K. Paul, CTO, and Ashish Sharma, COO. The third number is Fractal Analytics. The team at Fractal Analytics focuses on helping companies grow through data-driven decisions. It encourages its data scientists to develop a specific analytics approach for different clients' requirements, thus allowing innovation for each team member. It was founded in Gurgaon by Shrikant Velamakani, Group CEO, IIM Ahmedabad, and IIT Delhi alumnus, and Pranay Agrawal, CEO, IIM Ahmedabad alumnus. The fourth number is Oracle Cloud Solution Hubs. This company offers a well-structured working environment where young professionals get the chance to work with senior and the best data scientists. The fifth number is Accenture. This company encourages data scientists to efficiently utilize and be resourceful in their own vast data in defining strategies and providing solutions. The sixth number is Crayon Data, with Maya as its flagship product. This company has a big database to provide custom-made solutions to different customers. The seventh number is Latent View, having PayPal, IBM, Microsoft, and Cisco as the company's valued clients. It encourages data scientists to have a 360 view of every project. The eighth number is Hansak Equity. This company engages multidisciplinary teams focusing on product and service marketing and strategy. The ninth number is Mu Sigma, with Walmart, Dell, Pfizer, and Microsoft as its clients, among others. This company encourages its data scientists. The 10th number and best company for data science is DataTrained. This company determines and focuses on the strengthening of the interests of its data scientists. It develops the skills of its scientists and gives them opportunities to learn and work with the company's business partners. Remaining companies are follow as the 11th number is Investnet Yodlee. 12th number is Datalicious. 13 is IBM. 14th is Wipro Limited. 15 is Gojek. 16 is Tridence Incorporated. 17 is Publicis Sapient. 18 is Minton. 19 is Tag Analytics. 20 is Amazon. 21 is Associates. 22 is LinkedIn. 23 is Deloitte. 24 is Flipkart. 25 is Myntra. 26 is Blue Ocean. 27 is HCL. 28 is Citrix. 29 is Absolute Data. And the last 130 number is Global Analytics.